mawala yung bola dito kay Mo Tautua. But parang naging fake pa yun eh. He went straight to the cup.
Napaganda pa rin sa pagkakataon na yun. At ganun-ganun lang. 10 na ang abante ng Gilas Pilipinas. Time out muna ang Japan. Providing the punch. Aba, nakapagbukas na po ng 10 puntos na abante ang Gilas Pilipinas. 56-46 kontra dito sa Japan. Stick-tack at yung tak-tak on back-to-back occasions. Hindi ka pa siya. Dito kay Romeo. Shot clock of Japan is down to 3. They gotta go right here, right now. Pinasa-pasa. Malimana. Forward pushing it.
Yan, mangga mo.
Romeo is down to water recourse for Aijima. Dahil minuto na sila. Ikaw was a bang time para sa kanila. Wala lang 5 minuto na dito. Subukan nila makahabol sa Gilas Pilipinas. David from 16. Back iron na naman. Aijima boards it. Gets it across.
Anong penalty?
Romeo trying to keep in front. Aijima shoots over.
Ano?
This is far from over. Right now, kita mo, lumalaban pa rin dito ang Japan. 2 puntos na para kay Aijima. Tautua magtatawid. Napagsa si Takeuchi.
Shoot! Yes! Galing!
One more time, Tautua!
Well, Rex is definitely happy they picked up this guy in the draft. You saw what kind of ball handling skill he had. From the half court, he was pressured and he was able to evade that.
Wag!
Isang gabi nagpakita rin niya ng
Yan!
dribble. Romeo bounces in.
Ouch! Sobra!
Nakatingin na kagad si Gary sa ring. Iniisip na ano ang magandang finish. Nasa ko, bola.
Look at this right here.
You know, tabak na naman eh.
You gotta be, if you're a talking next time, you gotta be excited about Mo Tautua coming to your team at this point.
Babay pa kayong lahat. Huwag lang kayo malipot. Nearly another steal. Tautua taps it over to the mid. Here comes Castro in the front court para sa Gilas. Tautua will offer the pick. Chase it on the move. Puts up a long one.
Yes! Sure!
Mo Tautua is making another impact in his game and tackling from the one
Mas
side.
wala.
Presence of mind to recover that loose ball or to back off the